I like the end result, the final look, what people feel when they look at it. So today the purpose was for people to come in and feel very fresh, feel like happy. It looks very happy to me, very colorful, very joyful. Today, we went for a very fresh look to decorate our dining table. Whether it's a certain season, a certain celebration, or just a regular dinner, think of a theme that suits the time of the day you're having your festivity and the time of the year. In this case, we're just around spring and summer, so we're decorating with flowers and candles and animals, and we're feeling very fresh. So we started with the placemats. We then added our dinner plate, added our colorful napkin, our salad plate, and then our soup plate. And on the side, we added our bread plate. We then used our fancy cutlery. We, in this set, have a dinner knife and fork, a salad knife and fork, a soup spoon, and a dessert spoon. And then we added our water glass and our juice glass. We threw in Moroccan teacups just to add some color and texture to the field. I prefer to keep everything either on a side table or on the sideboard, on the buffet. Have them put there with elevation so that the space can fit more items. But generally, if we are to use the table for any food, it would usually be starters or finger food, and always have duplicates somewhere else so that if not everyone can fit on your dining table, people would have access to these items. After we've done that for the entire table, we start with the decoration. Always start with the center and have different elements. We started with a floral element in the center that was bigger and more obvious, and then some greenery on the side. And as we spread, we added some statues and some candles at different elevations so that we'd give it like a very lively, fresh look. We have mainly used silver and colorful flowers with that turquoise aqua base color, as well as a very strong coral with the flowers. You don't have to go all fancy, you can use just stuff from around the house. In this case, we only used stuff from this house. We didn't buy anything, we didn't go out of our way. We just used flowers and candles that we had around the house. We used statues that we had around the house, our regular glasses. We threw in some fancy cutlery. We mixed and matched some of our plates to give the look. Used colorful napkins and placemats. Just change it up so that it feels different and fresh. Just have fun. Have fun with it. Play around with it. Even if it's food, celebrate food. Don't think of etiquette and what it's supposed to look like and what people are gonna think. People are gonna love that you put some effort. They're gonna love that it looks fresh and nice and fun. If you took the time to cook for them, take the time to decorate for them. It's gonna make them feel very special.